H-Town LMG representative. Eastside. Yeah. Kirko. And it's the remix. Yeah. Girl, what it do? I'm coming home with you. Your girlfriend tripping on you, you can bring her too. Yo, bra up over here, no panties under there. Got you biting on your lips, baby, while I pull your hair. And she kissing on your navel. Come give me that halo. All up in my jeans and I'ma hit her with that stay flow. Hard dick, Kirko. Paint her walls, Mako. Baby, I'm a Leo and I think that she a Virgo. And you know who I am, cause you know this my jam. I got your girl dripping, my voice make her wet. She say I make her shiver, and I ain't even there. She in love with a nigga, and we ain't even met. Damn. All I wanna know, girl, what your name is. I see them other niggas, they be on that lame shit. And I can take care of you and them girls you came with. But first you gotta tell me what your fucking name is. What your name is, girl, what your name is. What your name is, what your fucking name is. What your name is, tell me what your name is. And I am so cooler than them dudes you came with.
I'ma treat you like my whip. Hop in and let me test drive. Throw it in reverse, then put it in the sex drive. Bitch, you know my name. Throw money cause I make it boomerang. My dick the finish line. She racing for my draws. I unbuckle my belt, now give me a head start. Yeah, I'm living right. These niggas dead wrong. She suck my dick while I'm on the call. Now I just called a headphone. Like damn it, you the shit. You do it so well. You do it so well. I'ma throw some change and make a wish. Fuck around and pay your rent. Let's go in my car and fake the tent. Yeah, the windows clear as day, but we fuck like it's 8%. 8%.
All I wanna know, girl, what your name is. I see them other niggas, they be on that lame shit. And I can take care of you and them girls you came with. But first you gotta tell me what your fucking name is.
Don't know her name, those ain't really important. I heard that love's forever, my love gon' be much shorter. I intend to hit it, twist it, till a man can't feel those borders. I intend to hook 'em, I book 'em so much you don't need no borders. Foreplay, rewarding her on her long day. Though you my side piece, you still my entree. I fucks with her the long way, she don't really wanna stay. Cause I treat her like a groupie, I just fuck her like a soulmate. No kids, no ring, her she do her own thing. That's why they salty everywhere, I swear it's like a snow day. Y'all don't move them, see you dudes is at that slow pace. I don't toot my own horn, but I'm a cold train.
I wanna know, girl, what your name is. I see them other niggas, they be on that lame shit. And I can take care of you and them girls you came with. But first you gotta tell me what your fucking name is.
What your name is, girl, let me tell you mine. I'm the Trill OG and I be out here on the grind. The game ain't pretty, but I'm ripping for my city. Dirty money on me like my name was P. Diddy. They call me Bun Beater. They know I stay G'd up. I'm rolling with your papa on them choppers with a feet up. I'm sitting on candy. I'm sipping on brandy. I'm coming down cleaning, man, these boys can't stand me. They mad cause they girl be on my tip like Tiny. I'm riding glass house so it won't be hard to find me. My game so grimy, my rims so shiny. If you can't get like me, then boy, you best to get behind me.
All I wanna know, girl, what your name is. I see them other niggas, they be on that lame shit. And I can take care of you and them girls you came with. But first you gotta tell me what your fucking name is. What your name is, girl, what your name is. What your name is, what your fucking name is. What your name is, tell me what your name is.